Okay, I'm gonna see if I can help you save some money. This is my daughter 2015 Mercedes. It's a C250. It's a coupe. But I raised her hood and I looked under there, and she had her air intake hose tube. It was ripped apart. So I put some duct tape on it, and I went on and ordered a piece. And you can get these off Amazon. They're cheap. And it's best to go ahead and buy it, because when these vehicles get old, you're gonna have to do the maintenance on it. Like a couple of weeks ago, we had to get a tune up on it. But I'm also, at the end, I'm gonna leave you like a little bonus thing on what to do if you have different codes or things like for your catalytic converter, or maybe your oxygen sensors need cleaning. It's some product that you can buy, which we used in my son's Infiniti, and it cleared the code. So here go how easy it is to change this air intake. And this one right here fit perfectly for my daughter's Mercedes. But here you go what you do. Okay, you go ahead and raise your hood and you pull this. Just pull on it. It seems like you don't want to come loose, but it'll pop loose. As you can see, it popped loose. And then you can take your screwdriver or a knife, whatever you have available, and push that little slot down. It's a little plastic piece, and you got to shake it a little bit, but it will come off. And it comes right off. You see right there. You see it. I put duct tape on it the other day to get her by for a few days. And you just line this up. It only go one way. So you line these slots up together, and when you push it in, you're gonna hear it click right here. You're gonna hear this click. Then you put the other end in, and it's gonna click also. And that's how easy it is. You can save yourself a lot of time and money.
You know, I know these older vehicles, as you can see my son's vehicle right here, his Infiniti, you have a check engine light on. And you know, I bought that OBD tester, and the code that popped up, P0420. So that right there said something about the catalytic converter. And somebody told me to purchase some of this stuff right here. It's for the catalytic converter, and you just pour it in your tank. You fill your car up about halfway, and you put it in your tank and run it and start driving it. And they said it would clear the light. And it did on my son's car. He drove it probably about 100 miles or so, and that light just went away. If you have your check engine lights come on, and it could be your spark plug that may need a tune up, or it may just the catalytic converter, or the oxygen sensors may be dirty, try this first before you start taking this stuff to the mechanics. Try to save yourself a little money, and you can get this off Amazon. It may not be this same brand, it may be a different brand, but I'm pretty sure they all work the same. I put this stuff in there and it cleared the code, and I put my OBD tester on, and the code, it says no code exists.